Okay guys, so this is where we at now. So see, we finished this one over here. Finish that one over there. Mr. Green, how are you today, sir?
I don't know how I am. It's cold in Canada.
Guys, it's not even that cold. Don't listen to Mr. Green. He's only wearing a hoodie. It's not even that cold.
It is extremely cold. Please don't come.
So let's see here. We'll finish this one here. Everything nicely in place. This guy here, man, he's a big boy. We have lots of brick tires go all the way. How you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna tackle the front of the garage here. Just put in our precast now. I'm gonna show you guys, explain to you guys how we did it. Same procedure as the one in the previous video. But now we're just gonna start to lay some stone. Stone. I know you're no brick ties with you.
No good ties.
I know you're none. Oh, wow, that one box of brick tie then. Okay guys, so as you see here we have around 4 feet going this direction. Now we're just gonna go with, we're gonna break it now. And as you see here, I go right underneath here, try to get the same level because we changed from medium to small. So in order to maintain the same level, you want to match the bottom. So let's go ahead and let it go now. Okay guys, so this is where we're at now. So we put in our precast here. Okay guys, let's lay some stone now. Simple and easy way to lay stone. Simple and fastest way to lay stone we're gonna go through today. Keep on watching. You bring up them down, then after you can go for more. Okay guys, so let's see, I go around 3 feet here, or 3 feet 6. And now I break it. And we're putting a different size here. This is a small. Once you go 3 feet 6, you want to break it no more than 4 feet. easy way is to go with the same size. Like for instance here now I'm just going with all small sizes. Going for the 3 feet. Then we're gonna break it. Just put a big one here. Break it. Put another one here, and then afterwards we're gonna put our level. All your stone that we're gonna put this one down and then we're gonna check for level. It's very important to check all your stones as you go down. As you go, put your level on all of them. Make sure that you're nice and level. Drop that one down a little bit. All you have to do is just wind down your scaffold, you know, green. It takes 2 seconds to wind it down if you need to, you know. and brake, you know, buddy. Okay guys, let's do some joints now. Just doing our rake joint. Later on we're gonna come back to and do our wire brush joint. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. The rain started to drizzle. I don't want to damage my camera. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe for more upcoming videos like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.